Good morning, everyone. Warm welcome from Hungary, from Szexárd. My name is András Sós. I'm the Managing Director of Walter Hungary, and it's a pleasure for me to introduce and meet Mr. Andreas Koch, Managing Director and owner of Jako Kft. So please tell us about yourself and your role within the company.
My name is Andreas Koch. I'm one of the two general managers at company Jako. My brother Joachim Koch is responsible for the finances and I'm responsible for the technologies.
When and how did you start to think about tool management for your company?
I think I started to think about tool management 3 or 4 years before. At that time we received the first tool vendor machine from Walter, and the installation was very good, and our production manager see the big advantage of this machine because the ordering process was automated and the use of the machine was very easy.
Why have you considered tool management for your shop floor?
I think it was a continuous process over the last years. I have installed the lean management team 5 years ago, and for sure the goal of this lean management team is to search for waste in our processes and to improve processes and to make processes better. One of the most critical things in such a lean management process is to have a really good database, to see where we have waste in our processes and where we can save money. For that we need a reliable system to create reliable data. And I think there we see the big advantage of the tool management system. So what tool management system can provide is that you can really have a clear picture about the tool costs per part. We are producing high volume series, and for us it's very important to keep the costs under control. So not every time we achieve the goals which are in the quotation or in the calculation, and then this gives us a big advantage to see really where the tool costs are in the line or in the goal, or where we have to improve. And I think that's the most important thing and the biggest advantage I see from the tool management system. But also the ordering process is very, very lean. So this means the vendor machine are doing the ordering and you can create a lot of data. I think that's for us and for me the biggest advantage.
What have been the key criteria for you in the selection of a tool management partner?
So the key criteria, for sure, like each supplier, is to have a reliable partner. So this means good quality performance, good delivery performance. I expect from a tool supplier that he supports us if we have problems and to have new ideas and to be flexible. So that's for me the most important criteria for a tool supplier.
How did you run in the implementation?
So the implementation process was run mainly by Walter, because Walter has the experience how to implement such a tool management system. But for sure at the beginning I had to convince also my team that we are going with one tool supplier. At the beginning there were concerns, but after a few meetings I think everybody was convinced that this system will bring us a big benefit. The next step was that together with Walter we informed our other tool suppliers that we are running this tool management system and we want to implement this. Most of the suppliers accepted this implementation. There were only 1 or 2 suppliers who want to have a face-to-face meeting. But I convinced them that we are not want to replace suppliers. We want to have the best tool for our production. And I think that's what the tool management system can really provide. So you will have a clear picture about your production and about the tools and the tool costs. And that's how I could convince also the supplier that we really want to have the best tool. So it comes from Walter it's good, but it comes from another supplier, it's also okay.
What have been key learnings for you?
So the key learnings were for sure it's always the change management system or the change of processes. For sure you have to convince your team that if you are changing something that this will bring a benefit for us and to the company. And the key learning was for sure that not everybody can react in short time if processes are changing. I think that's what we have learned, maybe also for the next implementation, for the next change process, that we have to focus or to give the workers and the employees more time to learn the system and to qualify them better and to put more time in training them.